Welcome back to Techunbox Pro, and today we're reviewing one of the most anticipated flagship phones of 2026, the Sony Xperia 2. Sony is known for its camera technology, cinema-grade displays, and pro-level features, and this year they've taken everything one step further. Let's start with the display. The Xperia 2 features a 6.6-inch 4K OLED CinemaVision screen, offering unbelievable sharpness, vibrant colors, and the iconic Sony contrast. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or editing videos, this display feels like a small cinema in your hand. With a high refresh rate and improved brightness, outdoor visibility is much better than previous generations. Now moving to the camera system, a true highlight of the Xperia 2. Sony has included a ZEISS triple lens setup with advanced optical stabilization, improved low-light performance, and upgraded AI processing. The 4K HDR video looks incredibly sharp, and slow-motion footage is smoother than ever. For creators, the Pro Video and Pro Photo modes allow full manual control, giving you a filmmaking experience right from your smartphone. When it comes to performance, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, offering excellent speed, graphics performance, and power efficiency. Multitasking, gaming, and editing 4K footage all run smoothly without any lag. Battery performance has also improved thanks to a larger cell and 65W fast charging, which gets you from 0 to 100% surprisingly fast. Audio is another area where Sony shines. With LDAC Hi-Res support, and front-facing stereo speakers, the sound experience is super clean and detailed. Overall, the Sony Xperia 2 is a powerful flagship built for creators, gamers, and anyone who loves premium technology. Is this Sony's comeback in 2026? Let me know in the comments below.